Welcome to Spice Dhamal. And I must thank you for the response which we have got for all the recipes and your comments. Today here I am again with an interesting recipe to welcome monsoon to our city of Mumbai, where I am from. And what we're going to do today is a chicken sheikh kebab, a delicious recipe. We're going to use chicken mince for it and some spices and simply grill it. Very simple. You never have to go out to eat this kind of a kebab again once you know this recipe. So let's start cooking. So for this recipe we need 1 kg of chicken mince. A good mince is equal to a good kebab. So you can ask your butcher to clean the chicken well and then make a mince for you. Or at home you can grind it in your mixer grinder. But you need to freeze the jar of the mixer grinder for almost an hour before you grind it, so that the mince doesn't cook at the bottom of the mixer grinder due to heat. So this is our very soft chicken mince is there. To this we're going to add, first thing is around 100 grams of chopped onion. You need to mix it well. 1 egg. Egg gives a nice binding to your mixture. A handful of chopped coriander, fresh coriander and fresh mint or pudina, that gives a nice fragrance to your kebab. Now the spicing ingredients. So we have got a ginger garlic paste around 2 tablespoons and green chili is also paste along with ginger garlic. So that has given it a little greenish color. But this gives a nice heat and a flavor to the kebab. In powder spices, we have got 1 tablespoon of coriander powder and 1 tablespoon of jeera powder. Then you need to use a nice garam masala, 1 tablespoon, and a 1 teaspoon of chaat masala to it, which enhances the flavor. To add spice, we are adding a 1 teaspoon of spicy paprika or a red chili powder and 1 teaspoon of chili flakes. If your chicken mince does not have some fat or a butter, the kebab will be very dry. For that we are adding 20 grams of butter to it. And this is my secret of a good kebab. Around 15 to 20 of chopped cashew nuts. This gives nice nuttiness to your kebab. With this we are adding around 2 tablespoons of breadcrumb, which gives a nice binding. Salt. So we are adding that. And now mix this well till all the ingredients are mixed well, and then we will see what's the next step for this kebab. So this is the time you need to use some elbow grease and mix it well. You need to knead it well so that all the spices, chicken, everything combines and it forms a nice mixture. So while we are mixing this, let me tell you history of word kebab. So aab means water in Urdu, and which kam is less. So any meat which is cooked in less water is known as kebab. So we learned these recipes from the invaders which came from northwest frontier, and kebab became part of India and stayed here always. So you go up to Turkey and you will see different varieties of kebabs across this region. Today we are making a chicken sheikh kebab and we are going to smoke it as well. When you don't have tandoor or a barbecue, this smoking technique will give a nice smoky flavor to your chicken kebab. And you don't need a fancy smoking gun like you see on the MasterChef television. There is a simple way to smoke it at home. I am going to show you that. So let's do it. So it's time to smoke our kebab mixture. In the center of it I have added a metal small bowl, and this is coal which on a flame I have heated it till it is nice and red. So to this we are going to add some ghee which will create smoke, and we're going to add 1 clove on top and close it. Keep this smoking like this for 15 to 20 minutes and your nice smoky flavor for the kebab will come. So after this we will put them on skewers and grill. good kebab is incomplete without a nice green chutney. What I'm going to show you today is a quick green chutney of mint and coriander that goes deliciously well with this kebab. And there are 2 tips to make it even more delicious. So what we're going to start with is a clean and chopped 2 handfuls of mint and coriander. Just add it to your grinder. You can use the stalks as well. A teaspoon of salt, 5 to 6 pods of garlic and some green chili, some chaat masala, a teaspoon or so, and for thickening we're going to add roasted peanuts. This is going to make your chutney nice, thick and delicious. And now when you grind it, you don't have to add water to it, you have to add 2 ice cubes. This keeps your chutney nice and green, because when you grind it in a grinder, it generates heat and the pudina loses its color. So this is a trick a lot of hotels use, they use ice cubes. So let's grind to a nice fine chutney. So our green chutney is blended and ready. Because of the ice cube, it has got a very bright green color. So we're going to refrigerate it till the time our kebabs is ready, and we will use it while presenting the kebabs. So our kebab mixture is nicely smoked and it is rested for overall an hour or so. The ingredients, the marinations have seeped in. So now it's time to put them on stick and grill it. You can see the mixture is nicely grilled. So while smoking, we did add 1 clove. That has also given a nice smoky effect and flavor. So we can keep this aside now. And this kebab, we need to put it on bamboo skewers. So you can put it on metal skewers, you can put it on bamboo skewers. If you are doing it on barbecue, you can put it on the metal skewers and do it. If you have oven, you can grill it in oven at a high temperature also. Or this mixture is so versatile, you can just make small bowls and deep fry it as a goli kebab or use it as a burger patty also. So let's put it on bamboo skewers, and for that what you need is a small arrangement. You need a bowl with some clean water in it. You need to dip your hand in the water, your hand needs to be wet, and then take a small portion of kebab, make it into a elongated shape like this, put your skewer fully through, and then you need to put it well on the skewer. So the mixture is nicely evenly on the stick. So let's keep this aside and make the another portion. Wet your hand, take a small portion, make a nice elongated bowl out of it, push your skewer through it, so the stew is ready. Let's make another one, and like this you need to get all of them ready. So all our sheikh kebabs are ready. We're going to grill it on a grill pan. We have lightly oiled the grill pan and heat it to a medium heat, so that it's going to take around 8 to 10 minutes to cook on each side. So the flame has to be medium flame, and then we can start placing them on the grill. To leave some space in between so that they don't stick to each other. We can do 4 at a time and then the rest. We need to slowly turn the sides. Whichever side is cooked, you can just turn little bit like this as it is cooking. And this kebab, you can just turn the sides like this and cook on the other side. Once the kebabs are nearly ready, you can feel a firmness like this. That's the time you can take them out and they are ready to eat. So wonderful recipe of chicken sheikh kebab is ready. The kebabs have come out absolutely fantastic and it's a must try recipe. Even if you are in lockdown, restaurants are not working, but that should not keep you away from enjoying such a delicious kebabs. So I am going to enjoy it now. Till then, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel so that we can come up with such a nice and interesting recipes for you. And I am going to test and show you how it is. So this is the delicious kebab with green chutney. Absolutely melting in mouth.